Hello friends, my name is Samir Kolhe and I'm the co-founder of Mayfarm Life Sciences India. We are a very young prospecting specialty pharmaceuticals company present in both India and in Brazil as a territory. We focus on the pharmaceutical segments, the medicine, the prescription medicine products, and focus on some very niche high entry barrier markets like the Brazil, Mexico, and similar markets. As a company, what fascinates us is when there are perfect blends of challenges in the market on all the fronts, be it molecule, the market, the business model. Offering solutions to all these challenges together is something that fascinates us as an organization. Very recently, we ventured into the Indian health and wellness space with our first launch of our product earlier this year. It was named Sucra Delight. This is the first time that we encountered with the consumers directly, coming from a highly regulated zone in the globe, that too in the prescription product. The most we could reach is to a customer, an influencer if you're lucky, a prescriber for sure, the channel partners definitely, but not with the consumers anytime. So this was very exciting to reach to a consumer directly with our product. The communication had to be as such too. I personally found this space extremely interesting. The Indian market in the consumer segment, health and wellness segment, is very, very dynamic. Our first product, Sucra Delight, is a sweetener, a sugar alternative, about 500 crore odd market segment that we have ventured into. And I found this space so exciting in terms of the consumer always wanting to change in terms of them getting educated. This is what we caught on as an idea and thought we should work on educating the consumers before they pick up our product. There are many other sugar alternatives in the market with communications ranging from it being for diabetic patients to reducing the sugar levels to the perfect taste to the perfect match or a perfect replacement of sugar to the quantum required, which is very less to sugar. But I thought nobody was trying to really educate a consumer, which is a very smart consumer today in the market. This is the idea we picked up, and we have tried to keep it very simple. We have spoken about the glycemic index instead of speaking about just it being sugar free. We've spoken about it having a right taste, the perfect match to a sugar, to be used exactly as sugar, to be used exactly for the products which you use sugar for, and yet having the right taste for the consumers. The tea has to taste exactly the same, not better or more or less sweet. The products which are sweet has to taste sweet, yet it should not have any glycemic index is the point. We've got a product which is a completely natural with 0% glycemic index, yet giving the perfect taste in the market. I hope you guys like this product. Very soon we're going to have an extension to our product which brings added health benefits to as a sugar alternative. Wait for that. I'm sure you guys are going to like that product too. Appreciate your patience to listen to me. Thank you.